Welcome back to the Car Collective. Today we're diving into the 2025 Lexus LX600 Walled Edition, a masterpiece that takes luxury and performance to the next level. The Lexus LX600 is already a statement in the luxury SUV market, but when you add Wall's customization, it transforms into a vehicle that truly stands out on the road. Let's start with the exterior. The Walled Edition takes the bold design of the LX600 and gives it a more aggressive and dynamic look. The custom body kit adds an air of sophistication while also enhancing aerodynamics. The front bumper is reimagined with a sporty design, featuring larger air intakes that not only look sharp but also help with cooling. The side skirts and rear diffuser complete the package, giving the SUV a lower, more planted stance. And let's not forget those stunning alloy wheels. Wall's signature rims bring a level of elegance and performance-oriented style that perfectly complements the LX600's powerful presence. Under the hood, the 2025 Lexus LX600 Walled Edition packs the same robust 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, delivering around 409 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. While Walled doesn't typically mess with the powertrain, the performance tuning feels even more responsive thanks to the aerodynamic upgrades and lightweight materials used in the body kit. You'll feel that smooth, powerful acceleration whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating city streets. Inside, the cabin of the LX600 Walled Edition is as luxurious as you'd expect from Lexus, but with a twist of exclusive details that make it even more special. High-quality leather seats, wood accents, and advanced technology come together to create a sophisticated and comfortable environment. Walled adds its own flair with custom stitching and unique interior trims that elevate the whole experience. When it comes to technology, the LX600 doesn't disappoint. With a state-of-the-art infotainment system, a high-resolution touchscreen, and all the connectivity options you need, you're set for both convenience and entertainment on the go. Lexus Safety System 3.0 ensures you're well protected, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. In essence, the 2025 Lexus LX600 Walled Edition is a blend of Lexus's commitment to luxury and Walld's vision of style and sportiness. It's more than just a vehicle, it's a statement of sophistication and power. For those who want an SUV that stands out not just in performance but in every aspect of its design, this edition is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching the Car Collective. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Lexus LX600 Walled Edition, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think of this stunning SUV. We'll see you in the next video.